Hey, welcome to the channel. This is my second channel. If you already know me from my other channel, my main channel. So on this channel, I'm going to be doing a lot of experimental kind of things, some vlogging type of things, some behind the scenes, basically anything that doesn't make the main channel will be on this channel. Part of that is, being perfectionist, but also part of that is just YouTube just is very picky about the algorithm and things like that. So if I put everything on one channel, basically, it would overall hurt the channel. So I have to kind of pick and choose what I want to have and put only the best or refined content and content that goes together on the main channel, while this channel can basically be whatever I want. That's a good thing because with this channel, I don't have to feel so restrictive and I don't have to make everything perfect. Like right now, I'm filming on an iPhone and I'm using a DJI Osmo Mobile 2, which is a gimbal. If you're not familiar with what that is, I'll leave a link in the description below. Yeah, I'm filming on this right now and, trying to have a little more freedom, so I don't feel like I have to be at a computer every video and doing a tutorial. So what to expect from this channel? Basically, in addition to the things I just mentioned, the themes will overall be educational, but also maybe humorous, maybe a little mixture of both, maybe a little more creative than the other videos on the other channel. And so yeah, whatever you guys want to see, feel free to email me. I'll leave a link in the description below. But yeah, I'm gonna have fun with this channel. I got some pretty cool ideas in the works. So definitely subscribe if you're interested in learning more about what goes on in my head on a day-to-day basis. It's gonna be a good mixture of positive and critically negative stuff. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next video, which will be probably soon on this channel because I got to talk about some apps that I've been messing around with. Anyway, until then, I will catch you in the next video and let me know what you want to see. See you later.